Hi, my name is Simon Belfler and I'm just gonna show you how to make a simple recording in Pro Tools.
I've already created a new document and a new track.
To create a track is Command-Shift-N, and I want to create a mono audio track. Create.
When you work with Pro Tools, it's really important to understand the way the software manages the routing. That's in the I/O section, that's in the inputs and the outputs.
So I click here. I have like the triangle I could put below. I can put another name. My microphone is plugged here, so I could put microphone here. The outputs is my speakers, but it could be I could create an output for headphones, but I could maybe change this one for headphones. This is going to in my output 3 and 4, as you can see here. And I have also my bus that I can use to create an output, different output, internal. For example, my bus 1, 2 can be for putting reverb on my voice. We can do that, like verb on bus 1, 2. So I have my input, my output for the headphones, and verb here for internal effects. And if I command equal, and it triggers this window. Okay, so as you can see, I've selected microphone here, and if I press here, here in double, I'm gonna just put it on mute. I can name my track mic 1. I could change the color. I can record. So now I'm recording my voice.
That was the first part of our tutorial. In the second part, I will show you how to import a music track and control the volume of the music track in the headphones. Don't forget to subscribe.